Dad! Jace! Mia! I am outside! Please open the door for me!
Mom is outside in the snow! Dad, open the door now!
One snowy evening, one closing door was enough to turn dinner into a rescue mission.
No, the door locked itself. My keys are still inside the house.
The soup is still on the stove. I have to get back inside right now.
Inside the warm house, everyone was close, but nobody could hear Mom.
I will finish this work soon. Then I can go help Mom with dinner.
I am almost at the last level, and this hero really needs my help. I want my room to look nice before Mom comes to check it.
The truck is gone, the door is locked, and the soup is still cooking. Please hear the bell. Please, someone come to the door.
Dad! Jace! Mia! I am outside! Please open the door for me!
It is boiling too much. I must make them look at the kitchen. Jace is in the living room. Maybe he can see me if I stand near the window.
Jace! Turn around, honey! Mom needs help outside!
Was that sound from the game? I should keep playing and not lose now.
I do not want to scare him, but I need a sound he can notice.
That was strange, but maybe snow fell from the roof.
Yes, Jace, look again! I am right here, outside the window!
Oh no, the next level started! I cannot stop right now.
Jace almost saw me. I cannot give up, but I need another way.
Maya! Please take off your headphones and look outside!
Did someone call my name? Or was that just the wind? The window looks white. Maybe the snow is getting very heavy.
No, Mia, do not turn away. I am here, and I really need you.
I should finish cleaning first. Then I can go downstairs for dinner.
Dad is careful. If he sees one sign, he will know something is wrong.
Dad, please look up from the screen. I am outside in the snow.
Was that a shadow near the window? Or just snow falling outside?
Yes, look here. It is me. Please do not look away.
The storm is stronger now. I should check the windows after work.
They are all so close, but I still cannot reach them. The soup is not just boiling now. It is starting to burn. Mom was not far away. She was only on the other side of the glass. My phone is inside too. I left everything inside because I thought this would be quick. I need something louder, but still safe. The snow brush may help. Dad! Kids! Please follow the sound and come to the back door.
That sound is not from my game. It came from somewhere in the house. I should check it. but I do not see anything from here. Okay, pause first. Mom says we should check strange sounds.
Good, Jace. Come closer to the window. Just a few more steps.
I almost saw something, but maybe I should clean this up first.
I am very cold, but I can still think. I need one smart idea.
I heard something, but the storm makes every sound strange tonight.
I thought someone called me, but now everything is quiet again. Maybe it was only snow. I do not see anyone, but I still feel strange.
They almost heard me, but almost is not enough. I need one big signal. This safety switch can stop the power. I am an adult, so I can use it carefully.
The power is out, and now the whole house feels too quiet.
Mom? Are you downstairs? Please answer me if you can hear me.
I do not hear Mom, and that feels wrong because she was cooking dinner. I heard strange sounds before, but I did not check them fast enough.
Stay together. We will check the kitchen first, because Mom was cooking there.
The soup is too steamy, and Mom is not here. She would never leave hot food alone.
Step back, kids. The pot is still very hot, and I will set the stove to off.
Mom's phone is here. If she is outside, she cannot call us. Her keys are here too. Dad, that means she cannot open the door.
Her coat is gone, but her phone and keys are here. Mom is locked outside.
The snow marks on the window were not from the roof. Mom made them. She was trying to call us, but we all had headphones on.
I am here. Look at the back door. Please look at the back door.
There is someone outside the door. Wait, that is Mom.
Mom is outside in the snow. Dad, open the door now.
The snow is blocking the bottom of the door. I need to clear it first.
Jace, bring the small snow shovel. I will put towels on the wet floor. Almost there. Mom, stay close to the wall and step back slowly.
I am stepping back. Please open it carefully. The ground is slippery.
It is open.
Mom, come in slowly. I have you. Thank you. I was outside for so long, and I was afraid nobody could hear me.
I am sorry, Mom. I was trying to save a hero in my game, but I did not hear my real mom. I wanted my room to look nice for you, but I did not hear you when you needed me.
I should have checked sooner. Work can wait, but family cannot wait.
I was scared, but I kept thinking. The power switch was my loudest message.
The snowballs, the knocking, the shadow, they were all messages from you. From now on, I will keep one ear free when I am home.
From now on, we check the keys before this door closes, even for 1 minute.
And nobody cooks soup and chases a trash truck at the same time.
That sounds like a very strange family rule, but I think we need it.
I think the soup also wants us to remember this day.
Let us see if dinner survived this snowy adventure.
That does not look like soup anymore. It looks like a tiny, dark volcano.
The soup is gone, but I am inside, and that is much more important.
Tonight we make warm sandwiches, and Mom does not stand up from this chair.
I will help more at home, and I will pause my game when someone calls my name. This note is for me and Jace. Listen first, play later.
Tomorrow, I will make a safe spare key plan, and Mom and I will handle it.
Before we go outside, we check 3 things: keys, phone, and family.
That night, the family lost one pot of soup, but they found a better way to hear each other.